Hi, this is Dan with the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation, and I'm here with Adrienne from Robolink, and we are here at the first annual signature event for the aerial drones competition. What's exciting about being here is we have students from all over the United States competing in drones. The REC Foundation Drones program is now 7 years old. We started with just a couple hundred teams, but what's really allowed this program to grow and blossom is our incredible relationship with Robolink. While we provide the competition structure and the infrastructure, you can't have a drones competition without a drone. And it was very important for us to find a partner that had a great drone, but more importantly, education programs. Adrienne, what would you like to share about Robolink?
Thank you, Dan. I think I'll just add that at Robolink, we are the creators of CoDrone EDU. It's a programmable drone designed for classrooms and for the REC Foundation's aerial drone competition. So we're very proud and honored to be an official drone of the aerial drone competition. Something that really drew us to this partnership and drives us to be here today is that we see the REC Foundation bringing levels of excitement, energy, and a sense of belonging to STEM and career and technical education. It's something that you traditionally only got from athletics programs or today esports. So we're just really impressed with what you guys do, and we're honored to be a part of it.
Well, thank you so much. We appreciate that. Again, it takes an entire team of all the great employees of Robolink and all the great employees of the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation, but more importantly, all the volunteers that support these events. It's a community to do this, and if you're not familiar with our programs, please either check out the REC Foundation website or Robolink's website, and it'll provide you lots of guides on how you too can get involved in drones, whether on the education side or through competition.